This might sound familiar to you. You're in your private jet, and you've got an application idea that's got your interest. You're considering starting to build it, but before you dive in, you need to decide on the back end. Do you go with a company that's easy to set up, but might need unwavering loyalty from them and sticking with one vendor? Or are you open to going open source and self-hosting to have more flexibility, but taking the risk of having a complicated system? Now, what if there was an alternative option? Meet Solobase, the ultimate backend solution packed with authentication, database support, storage, and endless expandability. Say goodbye to vendor lock-in and hello to a simple setup process. Just run a git install command, wait patiently a couple of seconds for it to get installed properly, then run it. It's that easy. For a quick overview, it provides a way for users to log in and sign up. Once logged in, if you are an admin, you can go to the admin page, where you can get some quick stats of your program. You can manage users, assign roles to users, browse and query your database, browse and store data, view logs. And if that wasn't enough, there is a whole extension system. There is quite a lot of functionality, but the idea is this will allow the community to create any extensions they want to fit their app. Now on the user side, there is a page where they can check their storage usage and also a way for them to set up products. I built Solobase using an IDE called Kiro. I first gave it my idea of what I would want to build. I would then go back and forth with the requirements and design. Once I was happy, I would then create the tasks, do a final check, then let it do its thing. What was most impressive was building my extension system. I had originally thought of a more complicated way, and it suggested a clean and dynamic way with a hook system, which was much better. Since the back-end and front-end are different languages, I created a Kiro hook which would auto-generate the front-end types based on changes made in the back-end file. This meant I only needed one source of truth. Typically with AI, I would give it a small prompt and just let it do its thing, and would end up arguing with it and getting it to change the code after it has already used up the tokens, and sometimes it would spiral out of control. This spec-to-code approach Kiro provides seems like common sense and obvious now, especially for complicated large architectural challenges. Like they say, weeks of coding can save you hours of planning.